Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from Razor Emporium coming at you today for a product spotlight looking at Mitchell's Wool Fat. Well, it's one of the most iconic soaps in shaving history. If you've seen this label, this box, this ceramic dish over here, you have known one of the classics. This is Mitchell's Wool Fat. It's been around since the 1890s in East Yorkshire, England. And this line of soap, its claim to fame is that it uses wool fat. It's right in the name, which is also known as lanolin. Lanolin is a byproduct of the sheeping industry, and a lot of times these guys, the ranchers are out there, their hands are getting, beat up and cracked and chapped and really worn. And so they needed a product that could kind of moisturize their hands. And it kind of started off with making hand lotion from that animal fat. Over the years, they have a lot of other products in the market. We only carry the shaving stuff. There are shampoos and body baths and other stuff that use that same lanolin. Maybe in time we'll pick it up, who knows? But as of right now, we're just carrying the shave products. I actually just got done using this puck right here, which is the same puck as this guy, for a shave just moments ago for a different video, and I really enjoyed. In fact, I'm feeling that very silky smooth, moisturized feel on my skin. It feels great. But the box, the label says it all. It's old world quality. You can either buy the refill, like this, or you can buy the ceramic dish that already comes with one of the soaps, and then you can continue to refill this. I think that looks pretty cool on your counter. If you had that on your counter, someone's like, whoa, what is that? You're like, well, it's wool fat, it's super good for the old skin. It's rich and moisturizing and luxurious feeling. But seriously, if it's wintertime, if it's a dry climate, if you're someone who suffers from dry skin, check out Mitchell's Wool Fat. In the video we just shot with the Parker open comb razor, you can go back and watch that video. I actually really do show lathering it. I think it's an important part because a lot of people who hear about Mitchell's Wool Fat are concerned it's hard to lather. I think it is just a very thirsty soap, and if you continue to throw water on it and do a lot of agitation, you're going to get a great lather. So don't be scared. Don't be scared, guys. Jump right in. Try Mitchell's Wool Fat, one of the classics in the shaving industry. That's all I got. If you've used Mitchell's Wool Fat, if you love it, if you hate it, tell me below in the comments. I want to hear from you. And that's all I got today from Razor Emporium, all things vintage shaving. See you guys.